Alright, so today's daily nerdgasm regarding the BlackBerry Pi comes with this simple program that lets me go into Python and then start turning these LED lights on and off. So I've set up a couple of little circuits with two different LEDs and put a little resistor in each one to keep too much electricity from flowing through. And what the Raspberry Pi does is it activates certain things on the general purpose input-output, which are these little pins on the Raspberry Pi, and I just have it connected out to a little breadboard here. But the nice thing is that programmatically I can turn these lights off and on. So for instance, let me go ahead and give one a shot here. I'm going to turn on the white one. Then let's see if we can turn on the red one here. Okay, so we can turn these lights on, we can turn them off. And what are the implications of this? Kind of like drawing a black dot in Python to do a game. The implications here are this little tiny computer is now manipulating physical objects outside of the computing environment. So 3.3 volts is what the rail will do. So it can provide a 3.3 volt current. And what is significant about that? That is you can regulate that current by using different size resistors, so you can lower the amount of current that goes through. But things like, for instance, a garage door opener has a little battery in it, and you push a button and it activates the garage door opener. Well, this can supply current to that. So you could hook up your Raspberry Pi to a garage door opener. And then when you think about it, the Raspberry Pi is networked. This is the kind of thing where you could set up your garage door opener to be opened remotely over the internet. So again, just kind of pretty awesome little thing here. I'm surprised it took me a long time to get this to work because I was just figuring out everything. But again, just turning these LEDs off and on is a really cool thing to do with Raspberry Pi. So this means that we can send a little low current out programmatically with a program in Python. So I am really impressed with this. I think some of you will understand why I'm impressed, and others of you will think that I'm just an unmitigated nerd that really needs to get a life. And you guys are both probably right. So anyway, that's what I was doing today with the Raspberry Pi.